I'm just gonna give a quick view on inventory too, and if possible, and where and how the levels have been worked. Sorry for that. Okay. Let's see. The data will be released in 54 seconds. Before that, I was clearly stating that on morning that I will be in buy somewhere around to $20 level. It closed below $20 level here, somewhere around here, yes, at 1 o'clock. But I was not online to take a trade during that time. I will explain you on at exactly when I took the trade and what is the reason for me to take the trade personally. I will explain you the reason for that. Just we will wait for inventory how it is reacting to that. I am expecting some because of the morning time inventory it's negative. API data is negative, so I'm also expecting the data should be negative, but market will have a chance of going up. So let's see how it goes. Okay, market is coming down. It's coming down. Okay, I'm looking for some positive note. Yes. Okay. The market data has been released to negative note. I think it will go on to a positive note. See this candle, 19th candle low has to break. If it breaks that and close below that, then we can see some quite a fall again. And I really don't know how to explain you the trade yet, because whatever the region crude is going to fall, it usually suddenly the bias will gonna come into the market, whatever levels maybe. If right now it had broke the $20 region, and once it goes to $19.50 or $19, it will again tries to rally from there. Because why? Because it's nearly going to bottom out. I'm not saying it bottom out, it will bottom out. So I'm just hoping for that one. And you can even see $10 or $15 is also on the cards. But as far as intraday is concerned, every $1 rally towards the lower end, towards the lower levels, suddenly a buying pressure will come. And that's how the intraday players used to play the game. Okay, now let's come to, okay, then we'll go to and explain you how and why. Hmm, okay, where I have placed my trade. Okay. Actually, I should have placed a trade at by seeing the 11:30 candle. I should have placed a trade somewhere around 70 by taking 1580 stop loss. But since I was not available to take trade during the time, I just took it buy trade at exactly at 2 o'clock. You may be not 2 o'clock, yeah, at 2:30, that is 14:30. Where did I place my stop loss? That's going to be a nice question. See, after this big green candle at 2 o'clock, market was coming near somewhere around 20. I placed my order exactly at 15:14. See, the low of this candle is 15:13. See, the low of the previous candle also 15:13. Previous low of the candle also was 15:30. So I just placed my order at 15:14. Stop loss just 2 point away. 2 point stop loss away. I just placed my order, but unfortunately that order did not get triggered. I don't know the reason for that. After that it moved to 15:20. I just took trade at 15:20, and see it went quite a few, maybe around 30, 33, 30. Okay, even 30 is better. 10 point I got, but my stop loss is somewhere around 12, the same 12, below the low of the previous candle. That's how I used to trade. That is my stick stop loss. Okay, why I took the trade here, I will explain you it, I'll explain it in this video. Okay, I hope this will clear your doubts. Okay, I will move on to 1 hour time frame. After this is the candle. After this candle has formed at 1:30, I was waiting for this candle at exactly from 2:30. This candle timing is from 2:30 to 3:30. That's the candle validity. After seeing this, I thought that because see, you can see it's a kind of an hammer. So you can see the rejection from all the way down. So just waiting for little retracement. As I said before, I would be waiting for retracement to get into the trade. When it came really down somewhere around 1950, I thought, okay, this is a good place to enter now. That is a really good place to enter now. So there, that is the main reason. After seeing that candle, I came to the market and I saw price was trading around 25. If I am lucky enough that I will be getting this order, I just placed. I'm not very sure that it will come this far, but if I am lucky enough, I would able to get this. So I just placed at 15.14, stop loss just 2 points away, 200 point risk, and see, it had went nearly, it had given nearly 14 20 points, that is 2000 rupees. Yeah, if it had triggered, but unfortunately that did not happen, and instead I got placed my order at 15.20. Even that is a good place to go high, but I'm very strict with my stop loss. Yeah, I know how important the stop loss is. For me, target is not important because I use the method of trailing. Whatever the market is going to give to me at the end of the day, I will be getting. But stop loss, that is what I fix. That is not, market should not be able to give that to me. I'm very particular about that. Mm, because that is the discipline I am following. First, I must be ready on how much I'm going to lose to the market. There is no point actually in doing things like this. So I usually define my risk. I'm very particular about my risk. I want to, I don't even expect a target of 5 points, 20 points, 30 points, 50 points, 90 points. I don't expect target of that much, but my risk has to be defined to me.